Hi everyone, we've got here a trapezium rule question combined with logarithms. So it says the table below shows us corresponding values of x and y for y is equal to log to the base 3 of 2x. The values of y are given to two decimal places as appropriate. Use the trapezium rule with all the values of y in the table to find an estimate for the integral between 3 and 9 of log to the base 3 of 2x. Oh, this is really nice. So this is literally just put values into the trapezium rule. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look and see what we're going to get. So our integral between 3 and 9 of log to the base 3 of 2x dx is going to equal a half times by h. Now h is the strip width, which in this case, as we can see, is 1.5. So going up by 1.5 is our h, times by y0, which is the first one, so that is 1.63, plus yn, which is the last one, which is 2.63, plus 2 times all the ones in the middle, okay, and all the ones in the middle, so it's going to be plus 2 times all the ones in the middle, and the ones in the middle are, the first one is 2, the next one is 2.26, and then the next one is 2.46. Okay, so basically when we work that out, that's literally what we're about to work out, and that's going to give us an answer which is 13.275. And we put the curly arrows just to show approximately equal to. So all we've done there is just literally sub into the trapezium rule to find that estimate. Now, that was really nice. So now part B. It says, use your answer to part A and making your method clear, find an estimate for the integral of log to the base 3 of 2 to the x to the power 10. So what we've got to do is think about what's the difference between this and what they're asking. And the difference is the power of 10. So we've got 9 log to the base 3 of 2x to the power of 10. Now, if we basically use the power law of logs, that 10 can come to the front, and in fact, it can come outside of the integral as well, because it's a constant. And that gives us 10 times log to the base 3 of 2x dx. But log to the base 3 of 2x dx is the answer that we've just found to part A. So therefore, this is B part 1. So it's going to be 10 times by our 13.275. And when we work that out, that turns out to be 132.75 is our answer for part B part 1. Right, B part 2, what have we got? The integral between 3 and 9 of log to the base 3 of 18 times x dx. Now, 18 times x dx is going to be 2x times by 9, okay? And that's going to be super important to be aware of that. So it's log to the base 3 of 2x times 9. Now, using the laws of logs, a product can be the same as an addition. So that's the same as log to the base 3 of 2x plus log to the base 3 of 9. Now, log to the base 3 of 9 is the same as log to the base 3 of 3 squared. And then we use the power law to bring it to the front to make that 2. So let's see what we're going to get. What we're going to get is the integral of 9 log to the base 3 of 2x dx plus, and this is log to the base 3 of 3 squared, so that comes to the front, which gives us 2 log to the base 3 of 3, and log to the base 3 of 3 is 1. So the answer to that bit here is that is 2. Okay, so we're going to have log to the base 3 of 2x dx between 3 and 9, and the integral of 2 between 3 and 9 dx. Okay, now this, we know, that is our 13.275 from the answer that we found in part A. And when we integrate 2, it's going to go to 2x in between 9 and 3. Okay, so that's going to turn out to be 18 take away 6. Okay, so the answer there is that is going to be 12. So we're going to have 12 add 13.275. So therefore our answer is going to be 25.275. So 25.275 is our answer for that one. Perfect. I hope you found that video helpful. If you do, if you could remember to like and subscribe to our videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.